3.
Hey guys, start a YouTube video. We're gonna show you slime. First, you add the glue. Ready? Set. Oh my god! This is so cool. Oh, this is so frustrating. So hard. Guys, this is so frustrating. I don't want to pay it. This is hard. Oh my god.
How about you guys take the top off?
Yes! Great idea. Oh. Oh, that's going a lot faster.
Squeeze it.
Oh!
Okay, yeah, all right.
Look at this glue.
Okay.
And this is gonna,
Maybe that's enough of glue right now, okay?
Yeah, this is enough. Okay, I need one more.
What do you do next?
Now we just have to pick. And now we add 1 spoon of baking soda. 1 spoon. And then you have to mix it up, Ryan. Is this 1 spoon? 1 spoon.
Okay, parents, you can help your kids. Okay?
And 1 spoon of baking soda. Dump it. And give it to the next person. Add some baking soda.
Put it in, make sure it fill up. Good.
Over there.
All right, Jada. Can you get it? All right. Now what do you do?
Now we add the content. Yeah, content.
Okay.
I need help with this. We share. No, we don't share. Yeah, you don't have one. I'm trying. We add it to another person. This has to take on it. Add it.
Wait till you pour it.
Do you want to share it together? They're good.
Okay, now you pour in your content. Pour in. That should be enough. All right.
This is enough.
Maybe that's enough. Yeah.
Now we have to mix it.
Yes.
That's not
That's no. It's more than enough.
Okay, now
Okay.
we're ready to mix. Now we mix.
Okay, maybe you can add a little bit more glue to yours. You have a lot of content. Add a little bit more glue.
This is like oh.
Okay.
Now let's mix. Now mix, 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 mix.
Mix all of it together.
So oh my gosh, this is how I take my arm.
Yes, your arm's gonna get
Yeah,
tight.
yours.
Oh wow.
Wrong. Do this. We can make it like on our skills. Look, I'm gonna do this.
Okay. Try to lift yours and see how yours look. Oh man. Yeah. I see. Wow. Let's see yours, Bree.
Yeah, let me see yours.
Ooh, add a little bit more glue to yours. Oh, you added all your glue.
Fire! Look, mine look. Mom, look.
I see. Oh my God.
This is actually turning. Okay, now we need to mix it out. Mom, can we mix it out and put some other glues?
Sure.
Yes. Now this is hard. Purple
Now.
glue.
Squeeze that around. Let's see what that makes.
Oh, purple. It's turning. How about I mix
So
mine
yours
with
is like a
blue?
galaxy color.
Mix mine with blue.
I think yours is done, Jada. Yeah. Look at
It's
that
sticky.
slime.
Is it sticky? I'm not coming to slime. What's this big bushy pen? Now
Let's see your slime.
We have to put it in. It's not coming out well.
Yeah, it's like gooey.
It's way to mama's hand. It's way to mama's hand.
It's slime. It's yours is gooey slime. Look at that. Gooey.
Gooey.
Okay. Bree, let me check yours out.
It's purple. Nice.
Oh my god.
Red, what
Like,
color
this
is
is
yours?
like-
Purple. It's gonna
Bree's
be.
is
Really
like a
gooey.
galaxy color.
Yeah, mine's pink.
Yours is like red gooey. Okay, so how y'all gonna end this video?
We're gonna set up. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe to our post notifications and hit the like button. Bye.